Hi, welcome. We are going to do a Go Math lesson today. We're working on Unit 6, Personal Financial Literacy. We are finally done with graphs, pictographs, and making bar graphs. Before we start lesson 20.1, we need to go ahead and do the overview of the unit. So today we will not be doing 20.1. We will work on that tomorrow. Let's go ahead and go over this. These are pretty easy, so I'm going to go through them fast. Write the total value of the coin. What is the value for the coins on number 1, class?
3.
3 what?
3 cents.
You have to make sure you wrote the cent sign. If you did not, it is wrong. What is the total value for number 2?
20 cents.
20 cents. Very good. Make sure you write the cent sign or it is incorrect. Number 3, circle the coins to make $1. Cross out the coins you do not use. There's different ways to do it, but to me the most simplest way is to put 3 quarters together, and 3 quarters makes 75, and I need 25 more cents to make $1, so 2 dimes and a nickel is 25 cents. That's what I would have done, but if you did yours differently and it still makes $1, then that's okay too. Okay. Draw a quick picture to solve and write the difference. Easy schmeezy, lemon squeezy. 4 take away 7 is, can't do it. 5 becomes a 4, and 14 take away 7 is? 7, very good. And it is a doubles fact. And 4 minus 2 is? 2, so the answer is 27. Ms. Yusuf, what do they mean by drawing a picture? They mean you're going to draw 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ms. Yusuf, how come you didn't cross it out like a tally? Because this isn't tallies. These are the 10 blocks. These are 10 sticks. So 50, and then 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it tells us take away 27. I don't have 7 ones, so I'll have to break a 10. Bring 10 ones over. We learned this in the beginning of the year. Now I can take away 7 ones. 1, 2, and put an X on 7. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, and it shows here that I have 7 ones and 2 tens left. I'm take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here, 8 take away 3 is what?
5.
4 take away 1 is? 3. The answer is?
35.
That one's easy because there's no regrouping. So when you draw it, again, you're going to draw 4 tens, and you're going to draw 8 ones. And then you're going to take away 3 ones. And I have 5 ones, and I have to take 1 10 away, and 3 tens left. All right, find the box of the graphic organizer with the name for each coin. That's easy. Here are the review words. We're going to plug them in the right spot. What is this called, class? Quarter. How much is a quarter worth?
25 cents.
What is this coin called, class? A nickel. Very good. And how much is this coin worth?
5 cents.
What is this coin, class?
A penny.
How much is it worth?
1 cent.
What is this coin, class?
A dime.
How much is it worth?
10 cents.
Excellent job. Write a review word to complete each sentence. A blank has a value of 10 cents. A what?
A dime.
A dime. A
Penny.
blank has a value of 1 cent. A what?
Penny.
A penny. A blank has a value of 25 cents.
A quarter.
Quarter. And a blank has a value of 5 cents.
Nickel.
Nickel. Very good. All right, the next thing I asked you to do was we're going to read 10 eggs in a basket. And then we're going to answer the questions. All right. Ben, let me zoom out so we can see the whole thing. There we go. Ben's hens lay eggs a great amount. So many eggs that you can count. How many eggs did they lay in this picture?
32.
Oh, wow, you counted them all? No, I was just talking about these. Okay, I don't know. It doesn't really ask us, but it's interesting. That's a lot of eggs. All right, let's see here. Ben sells eggs in baskets of 10, each one laid by a noisy hen. So how many eggs are on the top shelf? We can, good, we can count by 10 because look, it has a picture. It says there's 10 in each basket. 10 plus 10 is 20. So you have to write the answer right here, guys. You can't just say 20 and move on. Write the answer down. How many eggs are on the bottom shelf?
30.
30. How many eggs are for sale in all?
50.
50. That's pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Does everybody understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Each day, Ben collects eggs. He puts them in baskets of 10. Baskets of eggs he'll sell to women and men. So he's going to put some in the baskets. Draw lines around groups of 10 eggs. How many baskets will Ben need? So we're going to circle each 10. Let's look at the columns, see if they're in columns of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're not, they're in 7. Let's see the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So we're going to circle each row of 10. If you didn't do that, you need to do that now. Then erase it and fix it, please. All right, as we're circling the groups of 10, let's count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Very good, 70. So how many eggs are there?
70.
There are 70 eggs. Okay. How many eggs will Ben need? 70. Wanted. Oh, the little fox is wanted. I wonder what he's done. One night, a fox came to the hen house door. Uh-oh. It worried the hens. Fewer eggs were laid than the day before. How many eggs were laid that day? So how many eggs were laid now?
30.
Only 30. And this is less than before, right?
Yep.
Because before it was 70. Now we've gone all the way down to 30. Sale 2 baskets for the price of 1. But the fox never returned. And so relieved were Ben's hens that they soon laid huge numbers of eggs. They had eggs by the 10. 3 of Ben's hens laid lots of eggs. Let's make a count. Circle groups of 10 to find out how many eggs did each lay. So how much did Lissa lay?
10.
10. How much did Penny lay?
30.
30. And you can see that they're in groups of 10, kind of. 10, 20, 30. And how many did Helen lay?
20.
Circle those groups. So we just said Lissa was 10, Penny was 30, and Helen is 20. Very nice. Okay, now you're going to write a story on your own about selling something in groups of 10. So, and that's it. That's all you're doing there. It's pretty easy. Now let's go down and read and finish the rest. Circle groups of 10 eggs on the tables. How many groups of 10 eggs are there? How many groups of 10? 10. There are 10 groups of 10. If I circle each group, which you should have done, there's 10. This is a group of 10. So there's 5 on this table and there's 5 on the other table. How many? Yes, there is. I mean, there's 5 groups of 10 on each table. Yes, there is. How many eggs are there in all, class?
100.
100. How many eggs are in each table? 50. If you were to skip count by tens to find the total number of eggs on the tables, what counting pattern would you say? So it's 10 times what? 10 times 10 is 100. It says on each table. Oh, hold on. To find the total number of eggs on the tables, you're right, actually on both tables. It's 10 times 10. Excellent. It's 10 times 10 equals 100. Good job. Make sure you raise your hand if you have a question. Write a story problem about selling eggs. Use $1 as the selling price for each group of 10s. You don't have to do that part if you don't want to. Okay? All right, so that's it right there. That's all we're doing there. when you are done, I asked you to go ahead and work on the problem solving money, and then I wanted to talk about the second worksheet, the Enrich 83. It's not hard, but I thought I would explain it. It should be actually really easy because we've already done money. Same amount, different ways. You're going to complete the tables to show ways to make the same amount with different numbers of coins. Remember a minute ago when we were going over this?
Yeah.
How I told you there's different ways when we were circling ways to make $1. There's different ways to make $1. There's not one way. And same thing, there's different ways to make 80 cents. They told us 2 different ways. They want you to try 2 different ways to make 80 cents, which they've already done. They said that there are 3 quarters, 0 dimes, and 1 nickel. I'm going to check their work and see if that's right. 3 quarters makes how much?
75.
75 cents. And then 1 nickel, how much is a nickel? 5. Is 75 plus 5 80? Yes, that's right. Now another way to make 80 cents is with 0 quarters and with 7 dimes. 7 dimes makes how many cents?
70.
70. And 2 nickels makes 10. And 70 plus 10 is 80. So this is just an example. Now they want you to do it. They want you to make 40 cents 3 different ways. But the trick is, the first way you can only use 3 coins, the second way you can only use 4 coins, and the third way you can only use 8 coins. Let's talk about one of these ways. What's a way we can make 40 cents using only 3 coins? Renaya?
1 quarter, 1 dime, 1 nickel.
Let's see, does that make 40 cents? 1 quarter is 25. 1 dime is 10. 25 plus 10 is 35. And 35 plus 5 is 40. That's absolutely correct. Then you're going to find out a way to do it with 4 coins and 8 coins, okay? Let's do 8 coins. I think that would be fun. What's a way to make 40 cents with 8 coins? 8 coins is a lot of coins, so I would probably use the coins with a less value, right? Let's see, nickels are 5 cents. What if I do 5 times 8? Is that 40? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So maybe I can just use 8 nickels and 0 of everything else. Okay? Now it's easy. All you have to do is find a way to do 4. And then you're going to do the same thing here. Give me 3 different ways to make 45 cents using 4 coins, 5 coins, and 6 coins. This does take some thinking, guys. It's not going to come to you like easy. No, if work is too easy, please know that you're not learning anything from it. It has to be a little challenging. If it's not challenging, it's just busy work. And I don't like to give busy work. I like to give work that you will benefit from. That's why I gave you this. It does require some thinking. Is it hard? Definitely not. We've already went over it. Everyone in here knows the value of each coin. They know how to add their coins. If you don't, sounds like we're going to have a big problem because the school year is almost over. So go ahead and complete this page along with the Lesson 56 page and the Unit 6 as well that we just went over. Turn those into me. You do not have to take a picture of each of the Unit 6 pages when you're done. I want you just to take a picture of this page and this last page, this page, and send those to me. Post it on the Google Classroom. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you later. Bye.